Hi guys, this is Faith with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I am going to do another DIY for you. Now, what you'll need for this project is these sticks. They came from Walmart. Now, the Dollar Tree does sell these wooden sticks as well. They are much shorter, about half size of this, maybe about 1/3 of this. And they are 98 cents at Walmart. Now, the Dollar Tree have these burlap, they're somewhat like burlap, little strips of fabric, burlap fabric. So you will need one of those. They come in green, brown, and this taupe looking color. I'm going to go with this one because it's a lighter color. You will need a piece of ribbon. I'm not quite sure what color I'm going to go with yet. And your glue gun, glue sticks, and a cylinder. Now I went ahead and start the process because it is going to take, I'm calculating from looking at what I've started already, it's going to take about 3.5. So you will need to get 4 of these bags of sticks, wooden sticks. You will need your scissors because we're going to cut, and I'm not quite sure yet what ribbon and if I'm even going to add any gems for that. So let's get started on this process. What you're going to do, very simple, very easy. Love it. On the cylinder, just put a dab of glue. Okay guys, so I am totally loving the way this is turning out and wanted to wrap it up with you guys. So I'm just laying my glue down. And it is very easy, quick and easy. You know, as usual, that's what I do. So I finished with the sticks. Really love the way that turned out. It's just beautiful. Love it. Now I want to take my burlap, measure it out, and I'm going in the middle. I think I want to overlap it just a bit. So I'm going to move out just a tad bit larger than the cylinder. Now that I've got my measurement. Okay guys, so I decided that I wanted to go with the Dollar Tree rope. So I am going to do my measurement. I want to go with the Dollar Tree rope, and I also want to go with a shell. So I want to measure my star where I want it to be. And I don't want it all the way around. Okay guys, so I have my measurement. And I want to go ahead and start gluing it down. Lay my glue down. And just roll my rope onto the glue. Just like that. Hold it in place. Going to do the same for the other side. Want to make sure it's even. Lay the glue down. Roll it into place. Okay, so I think I've got it where I want it to be. Hold it in place until it dries. So I gotta make sure the glue stays in place. Okay, now I want to take my star. This is really thick, it's not drying. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I absolutely love it. I hope that you do too. Let's see what the back looks like. And I'm going to put a candle in. You can use this as a centerpiece, a cylinder to house flowers, or you can use it for a candle holder. So let me grab a couple props and let you see. Okay guys, this is how it turned out. I love the way it looks. Rustic, beachy theme. All right, let's check out what it looks like as a candle holder. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out as a candle holder. I love the way that that glows through the wood. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you like this project, and I hope that you will share with your family and friends. Let me know what your thoughts are on this project. If this is something you'd recreate for your home. Or it could even go for a bridal shower, beachy wedding. Okay guys, thank you so much, and I will see you on my next DIY.